Hey guys! Do you know fogging nozzle is an important part of the fogging system? How do we clean fogging nozzles properly? Let's check it out. First of all, here's a tip for you when winterizing the fogging system. Please make sure that you remove the nozzles from the pipelines and flush the pipelines with water to remove debris or builds up that might possibly stuck in it. So, after nozzles removed, how do we clean those nozzles properly? Please remove all the parts made in rubber, such as O-rings and check valve ball. Place metal parts in a container of a vinegar or cleaning solution that is slightly diluted by water. Leave the nozzles soaking overnight. Take metal parts out and give them a few light taps with a screwdriver to help loosen debris more. Put metal parts back into container for another swirl around should remove remaining debris. At last, put metal parts dried and assemble them back as demonstration. An important tip. Avoid using pin to clean the nozzle orifice which might get damaged. Instead, a light brush with a suitable brush should be enough to remove the buildup on the surface. Fogging nozzle is, after all, a wearing part. Depending on the using condition, it might need to be renewed periodically. That's all for it. Thanks for watching. Give us an email or a message if further details required. Team Natural Fog is always here.